And his woman smoking Paul Malls, watching Laura